I'm
Your
just
bug
recording
comes
so
back
you know.
when you fire them too often.
You're what? When they get too many? Yeah. Is the bug still back, or does it go away when you lay off?
No, it's dude, that is so weird. It's only there when there's a shitload of them all at once, so they might be interacting with one another somehow. Maybe?
No, it's because I tell you exactly what it is. You're using up enough bandwidth on them that you're needing more physics processes. So if I increase that wait time, that counter, by a little bit, that friggin' wicked stream of fire you're shooting technically needs a little bit more spaces before the bullets. And then when it starts to go weird, like when I start to stutter because of the amount of things you spawned. Oh, wait a minute. Are they disappearing? I didn't check to make sure they're actually purging. Oh yeah, they are. There's only 2 alive left in the scene. 4 or 5. They are. They're purging properly still. Are they purging for you? Can you see your console, the black console screen? See when you shoot
no,
it should...
I've got it running release.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's alright. Not your fault.
Still look pretty though when you do that. I get these giant swirls, like you'll see the video because I'll upload this. So this effectively means the update's working, but you've now shot too many bullets for the network to update properly for me. So I'm gonna have to put a bullet cap. Yeah, you're causing massive lag on my end, which might cause massive lag on your end.
On my end, I have no lag.
Yeah, because you're the one doing them. But
Right,
mine's trying to catch up to yours, right? Yeah, because I have to send to you, and remember I'm doing all the physics and sending back to you.
I probably don't have you targeted.
Nope, but if you tap, remember I didn't fix the bug yet for the targeting of other players, so when you exit you're gonna get an error, or you might not get it, but I will. But dude, I think we have that fixed.
Yeah. There you are. Bonk. Just the fact that we can crash into each other in space is pretty cool.
Yeah, and the thing is, do you still shoot straight after the crash?
Well, let's find out.
Also careful, you can still bump into your own bullets, because I don't have them spawning very far ahead of you. And I can't use the spawning point yet. I'm
Not hitting you at all.
I'm avoiding them actually. Whoa, no, you nailed me. Oh wow. Oh wow. They impart a lot of energy, and I didn't give them any mass. It's just that shitty little velocity. So when I take them up in speed and reduce the number you can shoot, it's gonna be insane.
Whoa. Dude, this is working great.
Yeah, and now I also know how the beams are gonna have to work. Beams are going to have to be assisted. They can't be player, they won't be player like aimable. The beam is actually going to have to be like, it's a lot of other space games, you have to be in range before the beam will even fire up.
And then it would just be from player to player.
Point to point, yeah. Whoa, I nailed you. You nailed me or I nailed you. Either flew into one of my own things.
Whoa, you definitely hit me. I'm spinning out of control.
Or we're hitting the carcasses of the dead bullets. No, it was definitely a hit by you. That's insane, man. They have that much energy and they weigh only one. Well, they weigh the same as the ship, actually.
There you go.
I forgot about that. Everything just weighs 1 kilogram. So if I made the ship weigh 700 kilograms, we would just be a patink. Also, some of those rocks you're seeing, now that I can get to some art, I want to do a couple of the art assets. Some of those asteroids that are fixed, I'm going to selectively delete them from the object mesh and reintroduce them as separate asteroids and allow them to be active. Oh yeah, we're tanking the system somehow. Right now you can tell if you're under load because the red line in the UI, the immediate mode UI you start to see the multiple frames.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Whoa, you nailed me pretty good. Wow. I didn't even use my turbo to get it away from you.
Oh no, you're real good now.
So I'm not even using better packets. I'm not even using my super enhanced packet system yet. Yeah, I'm getting frame drops here. I'm gonna have to do.
Yeah, I was sending thousands and thousands out.
Yeah, that is gonna have to be limited. I'm gonna have to put a fire rate limiter later. It's still pretty now.
Yeah.
What do you think of that little?
You really don't want that limiter, I don't think.
What do you think of that little hostile signal effect that's over top of the selected thing? Just the random arcs that draw around me when you select me or whatever you're looking at. Like, you can't miss what's selected.
Oh, absolutely not. Cannot miss what's selected. But I don't know if that might be like borderline seizure inducing.
Nah.
I don't suffer from that problem, so I couldn't tell you.
What I might do,
No,
because it's immediate mode, I might allow the players to adjust those colors.
Oh, there you go.
So colorblind people can do what they want. I might be maybe the first space game that actually fully caters to full colorblind people. I had some people over in Rob Roberto's forum saying all they know is that the sky is beautiful. Because they play DayZ. Or one guy, I think, said it. I don't know. Anyhow, some of the guys at work, they're like, and you made that. That's not a movie. I'm like, no, that's real time. Runs on a simple GPU. Well, not a simple one. You have to at least have some gaming cojones, or it would run on anything that can run GLS3. Yeah. We're not even using 1 meg of RAM. If I wanted to get lazy, we would.
Yeah, this would totally run on my mom's Ryzen 3, wouldn't it?
Yeah. You could take it up and check.
Yeah.
Oh, your Ryzen 3? Of course it would.
Yeah, Ryzen 3 2200G, is it?
Yep. Yeah, it would run on that Wicket. You could game in-house, like if you just wanted your dad to play or send Alicia upstairs or whatever.
Hold on 1 second.
Do an internal port, right?
That computer boots so freaking quick. If I can get the USB flash drive in to my own computer fast enough, I'll fire it up over there too.
Oh shit, I just nailed you, dude. You might be drifting.
I was drifting a little bit.
Yeah, I accidentally nailed you.
What the fuck? Do I have a dead USB port? Or a dead USB flash drive?
Or Windows is just pissed off.
Nope. I've been having USB problems.
On your new motherboard?
No, it's the socket connector thing for the case.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's the front fucking panel case thing.
Well,
there we go. That connected.
I'm going to. Yeah, well, this isn't for kids. I don't care if there's the odd F word and the F bomb right now. But people watching this are looking at a dev lab.
Yeah.
So, like, the rocks work better than I expected. The debris works better. I got some headroom to throw another couple thousand space debris in. And
no way! I just found my flash drive with all my movies on it. Legal copies of movies I've purchased, that is, of course. But all right. I really can't believe I just found that. Anyway, let's see, I need BYOF 2. Paste.
You're gonna try and join in a third player?
Yeah.
You watch, it crashes. I'll cry. I didn't locally test the handoff. Well, I won't cry. I know what I have to fix. It's just gonna be a shitload of work if I didn't correct it earlier when I changed the handoff type. It's rough.
Some blocks around in that flash drive. Wow, that was really terrible speed.
It's rough when you do a lot of the code from head because you're rolling it in your head and you're like, this, and this should work. And then knowing me, I've got like one spelling mistake in one of the variables or something, right? Or accidentally duplicate a variable, so you can't tell why stuff isn't updating. Because that's what I also had that handoff error before. Like I said, maybe my code was too muddy. I was just gonna rip it, strip it, and rebuild it. But I kind of half did it tonight. I ripped a section of it and rebuilt it. Because, oh, you're shooting. Was that you shooting?
Yeah, I sent spaces.
Okay.
I'm gonna switch to hers. You won't be able to hear me, but I'll be right back.
Okay.
I'll type in the thing.
Okay. Alright guys, so we won't hear Jim because he's gonna go to her machine upstairs. I think it's upstairs. And it's a Ryzen 3 APU. Ryzen 3 based APU. So no video card. Well, there is, it's an APU. And then basically what'll happen from this is I'm gonna take a little bit of a break from the code, like I promised myself I was gonna do once I got the bullets working. Ooh, can't fire too many of those through Hilda, she's joining. That's the other thing I gotta fix, but I'll take a bit of a break from the code because there's some more of the supply art that I want to put in. And let's hope my server can handle him joining. I should probably be looking at that when he joins. Well, I typed all that junk. Should line up there with those to see what it does. You know what I know what he went upstairs and forgot my my IP. Oh, holy crap, he's in. Where did he join? Let's okay, that's that one. There's his other one. Oh, there he is. Okay. Can't tell if he's shooting. So let's ask him. This is where I wish Godot had latency. So I'm going to go back up to the bigger screen so you guys can see more of the interesting. Oh, look at that! There's my mouse. See, this is one of the 3D. It's a sprite, but it has a normal map on it, so it makes you think it's 3D. It's kind of cool that that's kind of close. Any other cool sprites nearby while I'm waiting for him to get back? No, that's just. The light shining in it more. Is that him there? He ran up to his other craft, I bet. Let's see if we can find him. I need that to update in the... Whoa! I need that to update in the thing so I can see who I'm selecting. There's a different piece of space junk we're just gonna look at. We're waiting for Jim to come back. Yeah, it's just some random space junk. Normally you wouldn't get that close to it, or that close to one of these ships. But, hang on, I'm going to quickly check over my Discord. Well, guys, I think it's working. Oh, uh-oh, he shot behind me. Yeah, I definitely got to trim the packet size down. Yeah, it should be noted I'm doing all the physics for the everything. Nail them good. Windows wants to update now. That's the that was where our lag came from. Yeah, but oh. Oh, the bug I forgot to fix. Oh well.